And so like we have to start looking at like what are some of the things that we're just sitting on gold mines in our house? That whole saying one man's trash is another man's treasure. This is one of the reasons why I do a very, very strict job on every 3 to 4 months. I go through and I look and see like, what do I have? Like, what can I give away to someone? What can I donate somewhere? Like, trying to make sure that I don't just hold on to too many things because it's a natural thing, man. If I had a bigger spot, yo, I'd probably have so much stuff right now. But because I don't, it minimizes how much stuff that I can accumulate. And remember, I live out of a computer bag, suitcase, and a backpack. So like that's how I live my life now. So as a business though, how should you be showing up on Marketplace? Now that's an even better question, a better way, because once businesses start showing up appropriately, people will start understanding it's safe. And what I mean by that is too many people, and I've been using Facebook Marketplace since I've got here. I've been like the last 3 days, I've been trying to buy some things. If you want to do business on Facebook Marketplace or any other online platform, you have to learn how to talk online. Because most people, when they talk on Marketplace, they're talking as they text. And you have to understand this. You call me the wrong word, I'm not interested in the sell anymore. And then I don't want to hear excuses out there because then you're spamming me. Because like we're not friends. Like, just because even if someone reaches out to you to ask questions about it, you can't assume the position that they're buying it. You have to just understand that they're asking for more information, and then you just give them that and you keep going. And so that's one of the biggest problems that I see with people trying to sell online. They're talking as if we're friends. I'm a potential customer, meaning you have to understand that you don't have the leeway of speaking unprofessional. It's the same way of I'm not going to go into an establishment, someone's cursing at me or speaking rude or disrespectful. The second part is too many people, they treat business on social media, and the way they treat it, it comes off scammy. And what I mean by that is like you have to force the information out of them.